Spotted a wrong competitor price in Pricefy? Here's how to report it. Sometimes Pricefy shows a competitor price or stock status that doesn't match what you see on their website. When that happens, you can report it. Open Competitors, go to Monitored URLs, and search for the product you want to flag. In the Actions menu, it's worth trying Fetch Updated Price first, and if the data is still wrong, click Report Incorrect Data. For a wrong price, keep the price report type, check the currency, and type the correct price you see on the competitor's site. You can also use this form when a price is missing. If the stock status is wrong instead, switch to stock and pick the correct status, more like in stock. Your entries are kept if you move between types. When you're done, click Send Report. Pricefy confirms the report was sent. To follow up, open your profile menu and choose Tech Support. The Price Reports tab lists every report you've sent, with its product, competitor, and status, open or closed. Click View Details to see everything you submitted and the current status. And from suggested matches in My Catalog, you can report a wrong match too. Thanks for watching. If you need help, contact us using our live chat or write to us at help@pricefy.io.